Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to access PicsArt storage. Accessing PicsArt storage depends upon the type of device that you are using. In this video, we are doing this on an iOS device. Simply go ahead and open up the Photos app on your iPhone. Soon after you do that, go to the Albums option at the bottom. From the Albums menu, select PicsArt. And that is how you will be able to find your PicsArt storage on your iPhone. If you're using Android device, you can open the File Manager app on your phone and navigate to the Pictures folder where you will be able to find your saved edits, projects, and other media files easily. So that's how you easily find access to PicsArt storage using your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.